Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to effectively use CALA to manage and grow your fashion brand. CALA is an all-in-one platform designed to streamline the entire process of designing, producing, and delivering your own fully custom fashion products. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about what CALA offers. It provides everything you need, from design assistance to material sourcing to sampling. Plus, it comes with powerful features like in-app notifications, task management, and real-time commenting, so you can maximize productivity whether you're in the studio or on the go. One of the standout features of CALA is its AI-powered design and collaboration tools. With built-in AI design tools, you can easily go from a simple sketch to a photorealistic product in seconds. You can also collaborate with your team and manufacturers in real time, making it easier than ever to bring your designs to life. CALA also offers dynamic pricing optimized for the lowest total landed cost, as well as a network of designers and manufacturers ready to help with every step of the production process. And with its automated supply chain, you can guarantee pricing and rely on CALA's logistics network to handle your inventory. But perhaps my favorite feature of CALA is its scalability. Whether you're a large established retailer, a medium-sized fashion house, or an independent designer, CALA can scale with your brand. Plus, it's the industry's first app to allow companies of any size to collaborate with their global supply chain on product creation from start to finish, all on a mobile device. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to running your fashion brand with CALA. With its powerful features and seamless integration, CALA makes it easier than ever to design, produce, and deliver your own fully custom fashion products. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.